Unfortunately, if you have a vinyl flooring for your stairs, I feel bad for you. And here's the reason why. It always comes off. And here's a common repair process, minus a few steps that we're missing, but follow these steps and you'll be successful. Here's the breakdown. You want to make sure you remove any pre-existing glue, adhesives, part of the ripped up flooring off of the surface. Why? Because when you apply your PL3X premium glue that you see here, really good glue, make sure you get that. It has a good bonding surface. Okay, now a great part that was missed here is adding glue in the nosing on that 90-degree angle right there of that nosing. That makes for a really good secure bond and adhesion. Now you can take a finished trim screw and fasten it in an indiscreet place on the plank, preferably a darker area of the wood grain, making it hard to see and while the adhesive cures. Also, you can place it in a 90-degree nosing, making that nice and secure as well. Follow for more tips.